So, hello everyone, and welcome to my video. And in this video, I'll be covering the weekly outlook for the brand new week, which will be starting from today, 8th February 2026. So far, February has been crazy, filled with lots of opportunities and all, and this week would not be left out. So already, I know you could already see on my screen, I've mapped out everything. I'll just briefly cover how I came about all of this, and we'll just keep the video quite short and interesting. So usually, like how we do, we start from the 1 week time frame. When we go up to the 1 week time frame, we could see that price has been very, very bullish, and that's how it's been for a while now. And you could see that the retracement that price retraced was actually falling back into a proper tap into the trend line that I would say price is actually moving on, because you could easily see what has been going on. It has been going on for a very, very long time, so you could actually easily see that. So after taking a look at this, we could easily mark out our weekly high at this. I think I made a little mistake here. Yeah, well, that okay, no, it's clear here. I marked out our weekly high here, our previous week high, and if we should then go down to the 1 day time frame, you could see that we have this bullish trend line on the 1 day time frame that price actually is properly tapped into. And after we did tap into this bullish trend line, now price gave a very strong rejection, because already I expected that price would actually push up higher due to these two candles. That's these candles from Monday and Tuesday. What happened was that you notice that Monday's Tuesday candle gave a very good rejection up, and the next thing we saw with Tuesday's candle was that Tuesday's candle was a bullish candle that closed above Monday's candle. This is actually a very strong sign that price is actually bullish now. It's actually a very strong sign that price is actually bullish, and you can see that price came back into this candle properly, and next thing we're seeing this build up and how far it close. So probably with market open, we might see some form of good bullish movements that would actually push price higher into 5k and all. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. When we come back down to the 4-hour time frame, we could see that with the way last week closed, we had this very trend line that ran all the way from ATH down to where price is actually sitting at right now, and and you could see that we broke out of the level. We broke out of the level with very nice bullish candles, and we even closed above this. I don't know if you could easily see this, but you could see this break of structure at this point, and we give a full body close above this level. So already price has changed character, and usually if you break out of a trend line like this, you would actually chase liquidity that is sitting around on this all of this level. So I actually expect that price should at least take 50% of this trend line. That's which is where about 50% of the bullish move. So at least let's say 5,200, probably price would easily tap that. You can easily see if you're not sure of where 50% of it is, easily use our flip tool from the point of the breakout, so as high as this, as high as 80, and you can see it falls around 5,200. So I expect price to actually tap that easily. It's not going to be that difficult for price, depending on maybe the political and news factors around it. So you could see everything is actually very, very clear. Everything is actually very, very clear. What I actually expect is for price to probably open with a gap, full body close above this level, then probably come back down and tap into this candle here and push up higher. Once we break and close above 5,023, we'd still hold that level, use it as a breakout block, and price would push up towards 5,200. So basically, this is actually what I'm expecting. You could actually get a solid trade from this point here, and the stop could easily be kept around this level, or let's keep it wide at this low here, and could easily target this or hold a very strong swing towards 5,200. But this should be an easy target. This should be an easy target. But there's that tendency that probably price would just hold these points here. There's that tendency too, because if we close full body and tap into that point, most likely price will just hold this guy and push up higher. So I'll actually be updating us on how we'll go about the trades that I'll be calling this week in regards to this plan. So if you're not part of my channel, this is actually a great time to join up. So I don't think there's any much. I'll be any other thing actually. I'll be dropping any other information on the Telegram channel. If you're not part of it, you could use the link in the description. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.